Kangpokpi district ki manung channa leiba mapau jingtun khulda Meitei amasung Kuki Phurup ki Maheiroi singna platform amatada saruk yaduna thauram Pangthokminakhre. Thauram adu ngarang Sorsia Christian College amasung mapau jingtun village na khutsamnaraga mapau jingtun da leiba Needy Home Academy NHA gi campus da pangthokpa Peace Initiative program amada pangthokhibani. Thauram adu da masagi chahi chamaga taruk suraba Reverend R. Ayui, NHA gi Dean of Students, Tui Saint Raman, retired IAS officer Dr. R. K. Nimai Amadi, Manipur Police Service Commission gi Hanagi member Dr. Lokho Punina Chingba, Miyoi Kayana Sarkyaki. Thauramadu Pukning Chingsiningai Oiba Tangkak Ama Hairagadi, Unity in Diversity ki theme da Meitei, Kuki, Pangal Amasung, Naga gi Maheiroi singna platform amatada, Zagoi Isai Yauna, Tongan ba culture gi Thauram sing, Lanthokiba aduni. Madugi Matung Sorsia Christian College ki Maheiroi singna Unity of Manipur haiba theme da short drama amasukhodol tamki. Drama ado Manipur gi rangasina maram oiraga tokhai tanabagi awamai chak amasung Phurup masel gi marakta amuk hanna thazaba sagatnaba ki warida yumfam oiraga sanakibani. Loinana Needy Home Academy gi Maheiroi singna relief camp ki mahutta classroom amadi barricade ki mahut playground haiba sida pukning chingsiningai oiba isai amasung khudol tamki. Thauramadu mari lainana Dr. R. K. Nimai na phongdokhibada Manipur da mahausa tangdu leitaba fibam hanjilaknaba mapau jintungna lawrakliba khongthang asi mai paktuna state asigi tongan ba mafum khudingmakta khongthang asi mathau tamnarakpa oirasanu aikhoina khangadabadi Manipur gi rang asi atopa lamdagi lakpa miyoi singna loishinduna development purakpa ngamloi haibasini Manipur da leiriba khoi khudingmak amata oina thabak tongminaraga mahausa tangdu leitaba fibam da hanjin hanba ngambaga loinana development su purakpa ngamgani aikhoi gi problem atopa mina waroishin purakani haina ngairaga leirabadi ahongba mata leiroi aikoi khudingmak ki punsi mahing phagat hange hairabadi kanglo Phurup ki khenaba yengdana punna chetminaba mathau tai masina Manipur asi khwaidagi khumang chausinba state ama oiba ngamlakkani haina Dr. R. K. Nimai na makhatana phongdokhi
Mapandi Lakumina for the Santi Porpo Yaroi, for the development Kasutoi. Because we, people of Manipur, we have to come together, work and strive for maintaining peace and for bringing development. Mapandagi Mina, a problems is solved with Rekani, Hydring Haitaragati, it will be like waiting for the proverbial mana. The Bible, the Yoga Mana, the Mina, Legani, a quality of life, see, for each and everyone, see, improve the Haitaragati. We all should work together, irrespective of the community, so that Manipur prosper and become one of the most advanced states in the country.